Hi guys, it's BellaGemaNails, and today I'm going to be showing you how to embellish a duster kimono just like this one. If you want to learn how to make this, just keep on watching. Okay guys, for this tutorial, you will need an iron and make sure that it does not have the steam activated. You're going to need a heat transfer rhinestone patch, and I'll post links below to where I got this one in particular. You will also need a duster kimono. This one in particular is from Forever 21. My sister-in-law gave me this, and I'll post links below to similar items since this one is no longer available. And how I would wear this in particular would be with some bell-bottom pants, a crop top, and some heels, and then just throw this over. It would look really nice and well put together. So what I'm going to be doing to add a bit of pop and excitement is the patch to the backside of this kimono, and I think that the pop of color will look very nice along with the rhinestone. I have already peeled the white paper off of this patch, and it's a little challenging because sometimes these rhinestones will flip over. I have made sure to align each one of them properly. So just take a look when you take it apart to make sure to inspect each and every one of the stones. Otherwise, it won't transfer properly when you're pressing the iron onto the garment. It's kind of difficult to work with patches that have different sized rhinestones because these are a bit more elevated than these flat ones. So make sure that you iron it for about 20-30 seconds when you're pressing it, and just be patient with it. So the first thing I'm going to do is iron the back side in order to make sure that it is a flat surface before I apply the patch. Now make sure that you try on your garment to see where you want the actual patch to be. I have already taken a visual assessment of where I want it to sit, so make sure you do that as well. Okay, so I am taking the sheet and I'm looking, this is a Hamsa hand here, and I'm going to center the middle of the palm against the middle line of the garment, and I will slowly place it flat. Okay, so you can take a visual assessment of where you want it to be placed. You can also, like I did, it's striped here, so I used the center point of the garment to be able to gauge the middle of the hand. You can also take a sliver of soap and put little markings so that you can gauge it that way as well. So I'm doing these in sections, so one finger at a time, in order to be able to press all the embellishments on the garment. Like I said, it's difficult because the stones are uneven, so just be patient and iron on all the edges. Let this cool and then peel off the plastic. So now that this is cool, you're going to peel off the plastic. If you see rhinestones lifting, all you have to do is place the iron back on the little spot that's lifting. That should take care of the problem. So a lot of the small stones do lift. They don't adhere, so you're going to make sure to press it one more time. Now, the important part is the outline. So these small stones are still in place. I don't care too much about the center small stones because what makes up this whole design are the large rhinestones. So if you pull off the plastic and you see that there's quite a few of the small embellishments attached, don't worry about it. If it's not the outside perimeter, it'll look just fine. If they're just lost in the middle there and you can't really notice them, then they'll be just fine. You'll see some of the stones there, and you can't even tell the difference on the actual design. So I'm not worrying about that at all. Okay guys, so you can see this is the finished look. It turns a casual kimono into something a lot more elegant and elaborate. This is a large patch, so it looks perfect with the length of this kimono. You can do this on a jacket, a t-shirt, pretty much a dress, pretty much anything that you have in your closet already. Remember, I'm posting all links down below. If you like videos like this, please make sure you give me a big thumbs up or pop a comment below, perhaps do both. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you to do so down below as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.